Here are some fun facts from around the world.
All right, let's hear them.
What does a deer tick and the Eiffel Tower have in common?
What does a deer tick and the Eiffel Tower have in common?
They're both parasites. Do you know why the citizens of Athens hate it when the sun comes up in the morning?
Why?
Because dawn is tough on Greece.
Oh, goodness.
Finally, do you know what kind of car a Norwegian would drive to get a really good look at the inlets with the very steep cliffs?
I don't know. What kind of car?
A Fjord Focus!